and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 149th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brand of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. India, SMHC Sisters Mark Founders 100 priestly ordination worldwide. Sister VG John reports from Generalate in Guwahati.
On 18th March 2023, the Missionary Sisters of Mary Help of Christians commemorated the 100th priestly ordination anniversary of their father and founder, Venerable Stephen Ferrando. Father Ferrando was ordained priest on 18th March 1923 at Borgo San Martino, Italy, with the motto, "On the cross is salvation." Arriving in India in 1923, he served the people of Northeast India for 46 years as a missionary priest and bishop, enduring all hardships and trials. While every MSMHC community marked the occasion in festivity, many people flocked to the tomb of Ferrando at St. Margaret's Convent, Shillong, in his native place, Rosiglione, Italy. Family members of Bishop Stephen Ferrando joined the sisters to mark the occasion.
Sister VG John reporting.
Pope Francis declared 2025 as the Jubilee Year. Church Art Kolkata offers a fitting inspiration to the Jubilee Year with its collection of life-size statues, 14 Stations of the Cross, 20 Mysteries of the Holy Rosary, Lives of Saints and innumerable murals on the life of Jesus and liturgical designs to embellish existing church doors. Also available are 10 panels of St. Francis of Assisi's Canticle of Creation to testify your institution's green commitment. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil by email churchart.ganguli@gmail.com or WhatsApp, Telegram, country code 919831020945.
India 29 deacons ordained at Salesian Theology. Father Jesudas Davidu reports from Bangalore.
Archbishop Peter Machado of Bangalore ordained deacons 29 clerics, 24 Salesians, 3 Passionists and 2 missionaries of the Sacred Heart at Christu Jyoti College, Bangalore on the 18th of March 2023. Salesian Provincials of Bangalore, Chennai, Tiruchi, as well as Vice Provincial of Hyderabad were present along with priests, religious, parents, relatives and friends of the ordained deacons. Archbishop Machado appreciated the contribution of Salesians and highlighted their characteristics of hospitality and joviality.
Father Jesudas Davidu reporting. India 180 education leaders from 40 institutions learn youth ministry dimensions. Mervyn Joy reports from Chennai.
On 18th March, some 180 lay collaborators from 40 Don Bosco educational settings of Chennai province studied the message of the Stenna 2023 as East in today's human family, the lay dimension of the family of Don Bosco. Former Provincial Father K.M. Joseph introduced lay dimension coordinators to their roles in education to faith, the educational and cultural dimension, social action and experience, the vocational dimension and social communication. The program also included focused, engaging and interactive breakout sessions where the LDCs were provided valuable insights and tools to enhance their roles as dimension coordinators. Throughout the day, the participants had opportunities to participate in interactive workshops and discussions where they could share their own experience and collaborate with others.
Mervyn Joy reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling.
Coming soon. Look out for brand new show with news desk and live anchor. from 1st April 2023, marking the uninterrupted and glorious 150th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific, started on 24th May 2020. We welcome your good wishes on short 40-second video clips shot in landscape mode. Send to WhatsApp number 9007-626301. It will be featured on Radio Salesian 90.8 FM and Salesian TV.
Thailand Salesians from 3 nations attend annual retreat. Father Ekase Thalakulton reports from Hua Hin.
The Salesian Conference of Thailand, Cambodia and Laos held their annual spiritual retreat in 2 batches. First retreat was from 12 to 18 March 2023, and the second from the 19th to the 25th of March 2023 at the Salesian Retreat House in Hua Hin. The theme of both retreats, preached by Salesian Archbishop Emeritus Francesco Panfilo of Rabaul, Papua New Guinea, was the gift of fidelity and the joy of perseverance. The retreat focused on the fidelity of the Salesian vocation, reflecting on life experiences enlightened by the Word of God, the Salesian constitutions, the church documents, lives of the saints, and the pastoral experiences of the preacher.
Father Ekase Thalakulton reporting. Philippines Salesian Educators Congress gets 230 participants from 8 schools. Father Keith Amodia reports from Cebu City.
The recently concluded Salesian Educators Congress 2023 had 230 Salesian educators and school leaders from 8 institutions of the Southern Province. The Congress, with the theme Level Up, Cultivating a Culture of Innovation in Salesian Schools, aimed to empower and inspire Salesian schools to enhance their educational practices and promote innovation in their respective institutions. Held from the 15th to the 16th of March at the Don Bosco Retreat House in Cebu, the Congress also served as an avenue for Salesian educators to gather and showcase their talents and skills during the fellowship night, coupled with exciting raffle prizes sponsored by guest publishing houses. Besides the mini educational expo, another highlight was the Teacher Innovator presentation, where chosen teacher innovators from different settings share their respective classroom innovations. The Salesian Educators Congress will be back in 2025.
Father Keith Amodia reporting. Korea 297 cooperators from 29 centers attend Lenten retreat. Father Jeong Yeon Lee reports from Seoul.
The Salesian Cooperators Association of Korea held the 2023 Lenten retreat for 297 members from 90 local centers involving 5 zones between February 26 to March 12, with the 2023 Strenna Dam as East in today's human family. The retreat was organized and led by Korea's ASC Provincial Council members and Special Committee. The group watched 2023 Strenna video and listened to the talk shared by both provincial delegates, Father Hae-sung Park, John Bosco, and Sister Gertrude Kim, also based on the Strenna official commentary authored by the Rector Major, Father Angel Ardime. Salesian cooperators were deeply touched by a story of one Salesian girls' high school past pupil who died with the reputation for holiness and becomes living proof of Don Bosco's preventive system. The group was introduced to another 4 lay holy members of the Salesian family, Venerable Attilio Girodani, Servant of God Vera Grita, Blessed Mary Christina Cella Mocellin, and Servant of God Akasha Bashir of Lahore, Pakistan.
Father Jeong Yeon Lee reporting. Those are the latest from Salesian News Asia Pacific. This show was brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. Enjoy the rest of your day.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.